Hi, uh, before watching this video, I suggest please watch my previous video, then it will be very easy to understand. Why? Because level 1 part 1 already done in my previous video. Now we are doing in this video level 1 part 2, that is angle measurement. Means in this video we are talking about how the angle is measured. Okay, so let us start the angle measurement part 2 we are doing. Here, if I say the word angle, it is a physical quantity. So every physical quantity will have a measurement. So in this video, we are learning what are the different units to measure an angle. So to measure the angle measurement, there are three different units of the measurement of angle. So let us see one by one. The first unit of the angle is degree. This all we know. An angle is measured in terms of degree. And the symbol also, just we write a small zero above the number. If I say 40 degrees, 40 we write and a small zero above the 40. Okay. And actually what is degree we are coming to know through this video. Degree is the main unit in this. So degree is the main unit of the angle. So here this is called degree method. This method also called sexagesimal system. Why this is called sexagesimal system? I'll explain later in this video. Okay. So in this degree method, degree is the main unit. Then what is degree? Let us know. For example, if I take a ray means initial point, and this is a not terminal point, it can be extended up to any distance. If this ray is completes one complete rotation with respect to its initial point, say like this, here it forms a circle. When this ray is completed one complete rotation around this point, this total region is divided into 360 equal parts. Means this region with respect to this point we divide into 360 equal parts. See here I made into two parts. Now I made this region into four parts, and again like this I am dividing this complete region into total 360 equal parts. Like this, let it be total 360 equal parts. It is quite difficult to divide into 360 equal parts on the plain paper. Just you consider I made this into total 360 equal parts. Out of these 360 equal parts, if I take one part, this one part is called 1 degree, that we write like this. In the sense, the degree definition is 1 by 360th part of complete revolution of a ray with respect to its fixed point is called 1 degree. So this angle is 1 degree. That's fine. And then in case the angle is smaller than 1 degree, there we need some other measurements. So here what we do is, here this is a 1 degree. In case the angle is smaller than 1 degree, what are we going to do is, this 1 degree again we are making into 60 equal parts. Means 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts. Then each part is called a minute. Means 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. That we write symbol like dash. Dash indicates a minute. Means 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. In case the angle is going to be smaller than 1 minute, again that 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts. So 1 minute is equal to again 60 equal parts, that we write like double dash, and this is the symbol for seconds. Means main unit is 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts means 60 minute, and 1 minute divided into 60 equal parts, that is 60 second. So like that, the main unit divided into so smaller parts to measure the angle conveniently. Then here in this case, 1 degree is equal to how many second? That is 60 into 60, 3600 second. Now I said why this is called sexagesimal system. I'll explain here. The main unit degree is divided into 60 equal parts. That's why this degree method also known as sexagesimal system. Sexa means 60, decimal means dividing into equal parts. So each unit divided into 60 equal parts. That's why it is called sexagesimal system. It is all about the degree measurement. And here we know there are different types of measurements of the degree. This all about the degree. Next, let us take the second method of the angle measurement. In the second method, this is called Radian method. Means the angle we can measure in terms of degree or in terms of radian also. This is called Radian method. And this Radian method also called circular system. I'll explain why it is called circular system in the same video. Here in this radian method, the radian is the main unit, as a degree is the main unit in degree system or degree method. Here in radian method, radian is the main unit. Let us see what is this radian. To define radian very well, here I am going to take a circle. Okay, consider this is a circle. I am not good artist. The circle should have a center and say this is the radius. The radius means it should have certain length. Here what I'm going to do is just I measure the length of the radius. I'm taking an arc which is exactly equal to length of the radius. Say for example the radius is 10 centimeter. Even I am taking the arc exactly 10 centimeter. Means in this the length of the arc is exactly equal to length of the radius. Then I join center to the other end of the arc. In this case, if this length is some r units, even this arc length also r units. And here, due to this arc at the center of the circle, some angle is formed. So this angle is formed by an arc which is exactly equal in length that of radius. Then this angle is called 1 radian. And this we write like 1 just above it c. As per degree we write 1, it's above 0. Here per radian 1 above it is c. But we read it as 1 radian, don't read it as 1 c. In this radian is 1 c. Now let us take this 1 c. This you read as 1 radian. Okay. And why this called circular system is the radian purely defined based on the circle. To define the radian, I am using the circle. That's why this method also called circular system. And here what happens in this case is if I take a complete circle and the angle at the center, the total angle which is equal to 360 degrees, that in terms of radian, this 360 degrees in terms of radian we write as 2 pi radian. Here need not to write c whenever you are expressing the angle in terms of pi. In case of it is other than any number pi, then you have to mention c. Here while writing pi you need not to write c. Means 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi. Means complete angle about the point is 360 degrees or 2 pi. The same way if I want to express 180 degrees, that is exactly half of the 360, that in the sense half of the 2 pi is pi radian. If I take a right angle which is 90 degrees, that we write as pi by 2. Pi by 2 radian is exactly equal to 90 degrees. So this will help you to express the angle from degree to radian or from radian to degree. Okay. So this is a second method, radian, which we use to measure angle, right? So let us go to third method. So we are talking about the third method, that is the angle measurement. This is called grade method, or this is also called centesimal system. I'll tell you why this is centesimal system. Okay. In this method, grade is the main unit again. Means the angle we can measure in terms of degree or in terms of radian or in terms of grade. Let us see what is this grade. Again, to define the grade, I am taking a ray. When this completes a complete revolution with respect to its fixed point, around the fixed point, whatever the area region, I divide into 400 equal parts. See here, I made 4 equal parts like this. I am dividing this complete region with respect to the center of the circle into 400 equal parts. Just consider I made into 400 equal parts. Okay, out of this 400, if I take one part, that is called one grade. That I write like 1G. G is just above the 1. So G indicates grade. So grade we can define like this. 1 by 400th part of complete revolution of a ray with respect to its fixed point is called 1 grade. In this case, the grade is a main unit. That's fine. We write like 1G, 1 grade. In case the angle is going to be smaller than 1 grade, so we need some other units. That's why here 1 grade we divide into 100 equal parts. This each part is called a minute. Means 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. Further, if we need smaller than 1 minute, again the 1 minute is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called a second. So 1 minute is equal to 100 second. Then in that case 1 grade is equal to, if I want to write in second, 100 into 100, that is 1 beside 4 zeros, that is a 10,000 seconds 1 grade is equal to. So in this, the main unit is the grade divided into 100 equal parts. That's why this method also called centesimal system. Cent means 100 and centesimal means 100 equal parts. That's why it is named as centesimal system. Right? So here we are using 3 different types of units to measure the angle. So finally, here just we write the relation between all the 3 different units. So let me take one by one. I want to write the relation for complete angle of 360 degrees. So I am writing first degree and then radian and grade. First I am taking complete angle, that is the 360 degrees. This is exactly equal to 2 pi radian and that is exactly equal to 400 grade. Okay. And if I want half of this, it is 180 degree equal to half of 2 pi is pi radian, which is equal to half of 400 is 200 grade. Finally, I want to write the right angle. Right angle in this is half of 180 is the 90 degrees, which is pi by 2, which is 100 grade. Means one right angle. In terms of degree, we write 90 degrees. In terms of radian, we write pi by 2. In terms of grade, 100 grade. So this equation helps you convert an angle from any unit to other unit. I hope you understood, guys. So in this video, just we talked about the angle measurement. Then wait till for other video, that is a part 3, in that we are going to discuss about trigonometry ratios. Thank you very much for watching the video.